Okay, now we have to solve some questions related with the segment reporting problems. Please look at the PPT. The chief accountant of X Limited gives the following data regarding its sixth segment. The question is on the PPT. Please look at the PPT. Particulars, segment asset, segment result, segment revenue. Segments are A, B, C, D, E, F, and total figures are also given in the question. Please look at the question. Okay. Now, the chief accountant is of the opinion that segments A and B alone should be reported. Is he justified in his view? Discuss. Now, you have to find out which segments are reportable segments as far as this entity is concerned. The chief accountant is of the opinion that only segments A and B alone should be reported. You have to find out whether segment C is a reportable segment. You have to find out. You have to find out whether segment D is a reportable segment. Likewise, you have to find out whether segment E is a reportable segment. Likewise, you have to find out whether segment F is a reportable segment. You have to find out. Okay. How can you find out? Yeah, the opinion of the chief accountant is not correct. Is not justified in his view. Because as per IFRS 8 and INDAS 108 segment reporting, business segment or geographical segment which has been identified as reportable segment shall be further divided to include sub-segment based on the following condition. There's some conditions as per IFRS 8 and INDAS 108. You have to understand what are the conditions, and you have to decide about the reportable segment on the basis of those conditions. First condition, an entity must report separate information about each operating segment. That definition of operating segment is satisfied. To become a reportable segment, first condition is that the segment should be an operating segment. From the question, you can conclude that all segments, segment A, segment B, segment C, segment D, segment E, and segment F are operating segments. Why? Segment asset, segment result, segment revenue are given the question. That means all segments are operating segment. Then first condition is satisfied. Then second condition, segment total is 10% or more of total revenue, internal and external, of all operating segments. Then please look at the revenue portion. Here in this question, segment revenue of A is 300. That means more than 10% of total. Likewise, segment revenue of segment B is 620. That means the total revenue is 1,200. 620 is more than 10% of 1,200. Okay. Okay, now we may conclude that segments A and B are reportable segment on the basis of segment total is 10% or more of total revenue, including external and internal of all operating segments. Then this another condition. Segment total is 10% or more of total profit of all segments, not reporting a loss, or all segments in loss if greater. Or in this question, please look at the question again. You can understand that segment result of A is 50, segment result of B is minus 190, segment result of C is 10, segment result of D is 10, segment result of E is minus 10, segment result of E is minus 10, segment result of F is 30. That means the total profit will be 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 30. That means 100. Total loss will be minus 200. Then you have to compare total profit and total loss. Here, total loss is greater. That is minus 200. Then you have to find out 10% of minus 200. That means minus 20. That means minus 20. Okay. That means minus 20. In this question, segment F has a profit of 30. Segment F has a profit of 30. Okay. Segment F has a profit of 30. That means the profit of segment F is greater than numerically greater than 10% of total loss. That means segment F is also a reportable. Segment F is also a reportable segment. Okay. Here, segment F is a reportable segment on the basis segment total is 10% or more of total profit of all segments, not reporting a loss or all segments in loss if greater. Okay. Likewise, the third condition, to become a reportable segment, the third condition related with the main condition 2. Segment total is 10% or more of total asset of all operating segments. Segment total is 10% or more of total asset of all operating segments. This question, please look at the segment asset portion. Here, asset of segment A is 400, that is greater than 10% of 2000. Segment B has total asset of 800, that is greater than 200. Likewise, segment C has asset of 300, that is greater than 200. Segment D is D has asset of 200, that is equal to 10% of 2000. Likewise, segment E has segment asset of 200, that is equal to 10% of 2000. That means all segments are reportable segments on the basis of condition 3rd. Then we may conclude that all segments are reportable segments. On the basis of 3rd condition, segment C, D, and E are reportable segments. Okay. Segment C, segment D, and segment E are reportable segment on the basis of segments total is 10% or more of total asset of all operating segments. That means all the segments should be reportable segments. Okay. Thank you.